So just a quick intro on controls for the GIGAsedo operator. To access the menu, press and hold the stop button until the screen goes blank. Then press and hold one of the other buttons, either up or down, doesn't matter, until you get the ID. Then release both, and then the password or pops up. And this one, factory preset is all zeros, so just selecting here. These are the options of things you can change. So language, of course. The way this menu works is use up and down buttons to scroll back and forth, and use stop button to select. So you can set time. So brake capacitor is actually for slowing it down in the open and closed directions. Check direction is so you can change direction at initial programming. This is where you set the end positions in initial programming. And this is where you fine-tune end positions individually, open and close, after programming, so that you don't have to do a complete reset every time if you're off just a little bit. This is kind of the equivalent of an SLS switch, so you can set where the safeties turn off. This is also the same thing. Same thing, different mode of operation. So I've got this one set to impulse open and close. You can set it to impulse open, dead man close, or dead man both directions, or either way. Safety devices, here are the options for devices. So 4-wire photocell, we don't have one connected. 2-wire photocell, we don't have one connected. Optical safety edge 1, optical safety edge 2, 8K2 safety edge, we do have one connected here. And then 8K2 safety edge number 2. So those are all the options of stuff you can connect. Force detection is always factory preset at 0. You can change that to make it more sensitive. Relays for output functions. There's your partial open, so you can set a mid-stop. This is where you go to set speed. So on this one, for example, factory preset for open is 50 Hertz. I've got this one set at 120 Hertz, so it's opening more than double the factory preset speed. Just going to select that. I increased the start slope, so it waits a little bit longer to speed up because it's going so fast that it's really sudden at the bottom. And then the stop slope I left at factory. There's a close profile, which I've left at factory. Switch point, you can set a service reminder and exit. If you don't put any do any inputs on the controller for about a minute, then it exits by itself.